Okay, this guy just landed on my head. It really is just beautiful. They just want to hang out. They just want to hang out with me and harmonise and play. And I'm like, that's all I want to do, just hang out with me and play. And it's all I want to do as well. I just want to play. I just want to be let me be a human being and just be and be free and happy and just me. And this is what happens. I get to just be me, and it's just like we're hanging out and we're harmonizing. It's not anything. Yeah, it's just incredible. I have been gifted something special. I do know that. I'm aware of that. Everyone has been gifted of something special, and this is incredibly special. I'm aware of it and I love it. But it truly is we just need to be. We need to be when you're in, put your phones down and be. Be. Even though I'm holding my phone now, I am being. I'm holding it, doing this for you, but I'm actually being here and absorbing the earth and what has been provided to us, which is so much more than what is in your phone. And it's just the phone is taking that away from you. It's taking that away from you, and the animals want to interact with us. They want to harmonize with us. We've taken a huge slab of their beautiful world away from them, but they still want to harmonize with us. It's just an absolutely incredible thing. So I'll stop talking because I'm sick of hearing my voice. You can just say, I don't know, it's up to 3 minutes late. This is, it just wants to hang with me. It's gone now. He's gone. And normally I don't stop. I keep walking because I never look back, because they know I come back, and I never look back because I always move forward. And I never stop and go, wow, did you see that? That was great. Oh my gosh, everything like that, because I'm too busy being, and I don't want to miss out on being. So that's it. Bye.